Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am so happy to see you here today. I hope you're doing great, and here we are again preparing another facial toner. Well, I always say that facial toner is extremely important for your skin. It really improves the texture of your skin, the way your skin looks, and actually the way the other ingredients that you're going and the products that you're going to apply on your face after this work. So I know there are like various different skin toners out there, but I'm a huge fan of Apple Cider Vinegar based skin toners. I'm a true believer that this really helps. It helps my skin. It helps various skin conditions. You could even include it into your diet. That's how beneficial it is. It improves digestion, can help with the weight loss, and it is actually very important, the digestion, if you're trying to treat acne on your skin. And now, today we're going to infuse our apple cider vinegar with the mint. So we shall proceed with the recipe just in a second. It's very simple to prepare. I just need to mention that the reason I'm a huge fan of apple cider vinegar to be in your toner recipe is that it really helps to balance your skin pH level. It is very important for healthy looking skin. Besides, it has anti-aging properties. It helps to clear up your skin, balance the oil production. That helps with acne. It clears up your pores. It can fight the wrinkles. It contains beta-carotene, antioxidant. It helps to prevent the skin damage. It also helps to lighten your skin. So I really love the way my skin looks like. The most important rule in preparing a toner with the apple cider vinegar, because it could be as simple as just dilute it with water, is to always dilute it. And the dilution proportions I'll put in the description bar down below, just as several, so you could have an idea. It entirely depends on how your skin feels at the moment. Now, the next ingredient we're going to use in our recipe here is mint. So I will just, whenever you have a chance to grab a fresh mint bunch, it's really great. If you don't happen to use the whole bunch, you could prepare teas with it, or just make another face mask. You could mix it with yogurt, with honey, with lemon. Endless variations here. You could also freeze it. So if you don't happen to have an organic product on hand, you could soak it in hot water or warm water with the vinegar again. So that will help to get rid of all the nasty things. You could use this trick for soaking any produce that you're buying. So for the recipe, we won't really need a lot. I will just get a little bit in here. You could use stems and leaves. You don't really need to separate them, and you need to cut it in small pieces. Don't need to be precise, just cut it, and I'm actually cutting more than I would need, but I would also going to prepare a nice mint tea afterwards. Mint actually, by the way, is also great for the digestion. While mint oils have great antiseptic properties, it actually contains salicylic acid, which helps to get rid of the dead skin cells in our skin. That also, again, helps with the acne. It helps to soothe our skin. Mint also can help to reduce the itchiness, and it's a very helpful remedy to use whenever you have the insect bites. It really reduces the itchiness again and the swelling. So I would recommend you to get a mason jar, because we will need to infuse this recipe for about 3 to 7 days, the more the better. And I would use about a cup and a quarter in here. You need to make sure, by the way, that your water is soft. This is really good to use soft water for your skin. So how you could have a soft water, if you have a filter in the house, that will definitely soften the water. If you don't happen to have any, I would recommend you to boil the water and then let it sit until it cools, and try to sort of get this water without mixing it up with whatever residue might be in the bottom. So once we have our water in here, we will need to add chopped mint in the amount of 3 teaspoons. So this is a tablespoon, so I'm gonna just use it like that. So you won't really need to use a lot, because I won't recommend you to start with a lot when you just start using a new DIY product. That's why I always recommend also to do a little patch test, because to see how your skin responds. So once we add it in here, we will just need to add apple cider vinegar to this jar. As far as the amount, we'll need 2 tablespoons. And you can also watch my video where I make a morning elixir with apple cider vinegar and other great ingredients. I made it a couple of years ago, but it's still very relevant. I drink it almost on a daily basis. It's really great if you want to help your skin, to clear your skin out and have a glowing looking skin sort of from the inside out. So 1 tablespoon and 2. So of course, if you have very oily skin, and once you see that this recipe works great for you, you can increase the amount of apple cider vinegar. So the next step will be just to cover the jar with the lid screwed on and let it be infused sort of for 3 to 7 days. What I always wait for 7 days. I think that's the best. And then you use it. So what about the shelf life? I usually always use it before it goes bad. You can store it in the refrigerator, by the way. It is very good. It will even make it more refreshing. But I would say about a month, definitely. And I use it morning and night, so that's why it goes very fast. That's like my experience. Besides, if you have leftover, mint tea, never throw it away. You can make perfect ice cubes with the mint. And in the end, I will just give you a couple more tips. If you prepare this recipe with the white vinegar, it will be a great house cleanser. So the white vinegar infused, mint infused vinegar will definitely help you to get rid of that dirt and give a nice smell, all over your house. And the second tip is actually if you want to experiment with other herbs. For the cleanser, of course, you could add essential oils. Lemongrass would really be a great addition here. And the next tip is if you want to experiment, this is like a recipe I'm giving you right now without showing it, you could get chamomile dried leaves. And the fast recipe would be you get 2 cups of water, soft water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and half a cup of dried chamomile leaves. And the process is exactly the same. You let it sit for about 7 days and use it as a toner. As far as the essential oil, you could definitely add essential oils to the toner. You could add geranium essential oil or tea tree essential oil if you want to treat the acne. Geranium is actually also great for treating acne. I normally use it just as is. Sometimes I add essential oils, so I try always to experiment so my skin doesn't get used to one recipe. And in the end, I really hope you guys like this video. I tried to make it really informative. And one last note here on the apple cider vinegar, it has to be the vinegar with the mother, unfiltered, raw. This is the vinegar you're getting all the benefits for your skin and for your health if you're going to use it in your healthy drinks. Again, guys, if you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy. I wish you to keep learning about good and great and healthy things out there that might help you to feel your best. I wish you to enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.